flying up around. Alright, here's the lightning numbers. There's 3 of them. There's 5, there's 10, there's 13. With a 200. Good luck. Ladies and gentlemen, we're having lovely 21 reds over here. Look at this. Wow, you're having a lot of reds. This is a hot number. Together with 12, 21, 27, 9, and 18, ladies and gentlemen. Those are your winners. Hello, hello, Moody. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's see what you're betting on. You're liking the third column. You're liking the highs of the second one. Alright. So how's the British session, ladies and gentlemen? Friendly reminder not to share personal information. There's 2 numbers for us. A 2 and a 934 with 200. Well, ladies and gentlemen, and all that lies here early on in this session. Ladies and gentlemen, we're having 200 for a 34 as our lovely winning number. If you placed it straight up and 515 of you did, you are enjoying some good money. Mammy, Valley, BB, Tommy, and Ralph as well. Enjoy. Thank you. Let's go. I'll say there's my girl. You'll probably yell at me again. I never yell, first of all. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. 27, 29, and 36 as well. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're on 12, the hottest number at the moment. There's the section of first. Thank you, 1036 of you. When beautiful, well, betting time's open, and good luck. You look tall. How tall I am? I'm actually not like crazy tall. 175 centimeters. So 1 meter and 75. I got no clue about feet and inches or whatever. Betting time running to an end. Thank you. I wish you good luck. The grid has left us. We're going to see our lightning numbers 0, 11, 20, and the lovely 29 as well, the 200. Alright, 11, and yet again, ladies and gentlemen, a lightning number once more. Ooh la la for 11, 50 times multiplier. Valley with 2.9 grand. You are an absolute best right here. Ladies and gentlemen, time is ticking. We'll go to the next one. Are you ready? Alright.